So we're here at the LSUC 2020.
Yeah,
This is your first time you're coming.
yeah. This is my first one.
ठीक है. तो अभी tell me first of all how did you hear about this और आप ऐसे यहाँ पहुँचे कैसे?
Very interesting. See, one of my friend, we were a friend for last 20 years. So she is from Mumbai, right now settled in Pune. So she is doing this unschooling for her kid. She has one daughter. Okay. Now she is a part of group. There are 3-4 parents. They are doing this kind of unschooling. And she told us about this conference which is happening in Siddharth Shahar. Okay. Earlier we was in two mind whether to come here or not. Okay. So then we decided, okay, let's go and attend it. In the meantime, that this coronavirus things came. Okay. So we were kind of scared whether to go or not. Okay. Then we finally thought, even if in Gurgaon we are moving around here and there, we'll get in touch with people, so we can get coronavirus from there also. Why not to get from here? If it at all we have to get it.
ठीक है. तो आप पहुँच गए. लेकिन आए क्यों यहाँ पे? What motivated you to come?
See, first of all, yes, unschooling was one of the curious question which is coming in our mind.
Why?
Whether because my friend Ria, her name is Ria. So she is a funny person. Okay, she don't take any tension in life, and she is a expert of German language. Okay, so she have been to Germany for 6-7 months. She's done an advanced course in German language. So she was supposed to take a career in this language course only. Okay? But suddenly she left everything. She left Mumbai and she started in Pune. And her husband also left the job. Her husband have some problem, eye problem. However, having said that, she is enjoying her life. So me and my wife, we are working in a bank. Now we started our own consultancy. Despite having all kind of money and everything, we were not enjoying her life as the way she was enjoying. Okay, so that make her more curious and envious. Okay, so
जलन होने लग गया.
जलन होने लगा कि वो उतना कमा भी नहीं रही है, हम तो सब कुछ कर भी रहे हैं. Still we are bloody, we are not that much happy. So why not to find out how she is so happy? And then she gave us opportunity to come here and explore. So that is why we are here. Not too much for unschooling, but to find out
How come she's happy?
How come she is happy? So that is the main thing.
तो अभी कितने दिन हो गए यहाँ पे?
This is the third day.
हाँ, तो कैसे लग रहा है आपको?
अभी तो enjoy कर रहे हैं. You find different kind of people here. Okay, you find some weird faces also. Okay, they are doing different kind of activities and all this thing. And we are kind of confused. Okay, okay. So in a structured way or in an unstructured way, you find some structure.
I see.
Okay. So still we are just exploring.
ठीक है. आप अकेले आए हैं बच्चे के साथ?
Yeah, I'm with my wife and my kids, 2 kids.
How old are your children?
One is 7, one is 9.
One is 7, one is 9. So they are in school.
They are in school and very much. It is a global school.
Okay.
James Bond Academy. It is a part of the one international chain which they have opened in Gurgaon. So they are in that school for last, I think, 5 years.
ठीक है. So anywhere close you have managed to come to find out why she is happy.
Yeah.
Okay.
One thing I could say, she has not set any target for herself. Okay. She is moving with the flow. Okay. If I ask her, what is your plan? What is your plan for tomorrow? So I don't think so she will be able to give me any good answer which will satisfy me. Okay. But she is happy with that way also. Okay. So when I asked her that when you plan to go back to Pune because she is here, so she's saying, let's see, I'll go. I'll move around when I'm think that it's time to go to Pune, then I'll go. So right now I've not decided. So so there is a madness in his answer, but there is a kind of alladpan also, masti also. Okay, because he is not worried. And if you ask me this question, so I would say, I have so many work lined up. So as soon as I finish from here, let me go and attack my work which are pending. So this is how things are.
So Well, I hope you find happiness and maybe get some answers to your question.
I somehow inclined to her way of life, but my wife is not.
Sorry, your
My wife is not. Okay.
what does your wife feel about all this madness?
What she is saying, there should be some discipline in life. Yeah, of course, learning should be there. You can learn with discipline also. Okay. So if you are having a learning which don't have any discipline, which don't have any target to where you want to reach, so of course you will enjoy the day, but later on you have high chances of repenting it.
Acha.
So it's better to plan and learn rather than unplan and learn. Okay, so this is because that is come from our background also. I came from a farmer family. Okay,
I see.
so my parents both were farmer. My brother, they are farmer.
Punjab.
No, we are from UP.
UP.
Okay, on the border of Haryana, Punjab, and UP. We are on the border. Okay, so we have quite a good land holding. Okay, so that way I have also not planned for anything for my life. And we in a farmer family, when you are there, so there's not too much of discipline also. So we move with the flow. If there is a rain, then we are sitting in the home, and if there is too much of wind, we are sitting in the home. Okay, and if everything is good, and we have to go to field, then we'll go to field. We'll cut the grass and we'll come back. Just a second, I have to take this call. I don't know who is calling me. So my life, I have been not too much target oriented, not too much focused. I have also moved with the flow, being a village from a farmer family and a village background and all this. My wife, she always have been a very disciplined student in her school. She is from Kanpur. Her both parents are teacher, and she grew up in a teacher community, in a disciplined community. So she is very intelligent. She scored very high mark in school. Okay, doing good. So though she is inclined towards unschooling, but she is still not finding sense out of it. How they are doing it and how far the student will come out of schooling, how far they will go in their career. Of course, they'll make their living, but how successfully will they go in their career, whatever the career they want to choose. So still, she is not totally. I would say even she's not even 5% convinced.
Okay.
I'm always 50-50.
Correct. And what would you say is your feeling?
Yeah.
Are you feeling that it is? Are you more than 5% or less than 5% convinced?
I would say I think around 30% I'm there.
30% convinced.
30%.
Achha. So maybe a couple more rounds. But your kids are already what, in 7th and
one is Nani.
okay.
7 year
7
and 9
years.
year.
So
Okay,
7
one is in
second,
third, one is fourth.
second standard and 4th standard.
हाँ,
अच्छा, तो अभी भी छोटे हैं.
अभी भी छोटे हैं.
Great, very good. और कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप? Anything else you'd like?
अभी I was trying to speak to Manish, who is the founder of this unschooling. So I had some question for him. Okay, the curiosity, I would say curiosity. Okay, to speak to him. I took appointment from him, but he's too busy. People catch him. Okay, so I also want to catch him and speak to him. I want to throw my questions. If he answer me and satisfy my query, then I will definitely think about it. Because I run now. I was working. We both work in the bank. Now I run my own finance company for last 3 months. So I have set up my office. I have employees. I have lot of people around. Okay, so it's not very easy to take that decision because you can't wind up your business like this and move like this because a lot of money invested in that. So it's not that easy to take such kind of decision. Because if you want to be a schooler, you have to unwind yourself. Okay, there should not be any baggage. Okay, so let's see. Let me see how successfully is doing. So it's good to have 3, 4, 5 days come together and enjoy. But the real story start after that. That is the main thing.
सही है, बहुत सही है. So all the best, sir.
Thank you much. Thank you much, Rishi.
यहाँ पहुँचे कैसे?
यहाँ पहुँचे ऐसे टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक इट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आवर फ्रेंड ओनली रूपाली when we met 20 years ago, she was a different person. Why we became friends is very difficult to figure out, because we are absolutely different people. It's almost a north and south with probably Manoj in the middle. Okay, because I hope I can say that, because I have been born and brought up in a family which was very, we had a lot of freedom to do things that we wanted to, but we are absolutely, I will not say conservative, but a traditional kind of thing where both my parents are teachers. We went to a formal school, an English medium, formal, very good school, okay, where things are done in a particular way, highly competitive environment. I was good, but never too good. Okay, I could always get my grades and supposed to be a good student. And to be very frank, in my entire 12 years of schooling, I never felt a need for anything else. My school was very fulfilling. Until date, when I think back, probably that was the best time of my life. So I have no regrets being in a school. I really feel proud to be in that school. I still connect with all my classmates. Even it's been 25 years since I left school. Last year we had a reunion, 25-year reunion. Connect with them, आज भी लड़ लेते हैं and everything. So I had no need to feel the need for an alternate schooling or to think that things could be otherwise, and they should be otherwise.
Okay.
Okay. Everything was fine. I did my grad from DU. Then for my post-grad, I landed up in this place, and then I met Manoj. And till then I didn't know that life could be anything else except this. ऐसी होती है ज़िंदगी, ऐसी सबकी होती है. कुछ लोगों की मे बी बेटर होती है, we are a middle class family, किसी की और अच्छी होती है, बड़ी गाड़ी होती है, whatever. So aspirations were only that, कि okay, to get a bigger car, a bigger house probably, to make my parents feel proud कि हाँ भाई मेरे बच्चे ने अच्छा कर लिया लाइफ में. So that was it. Okay. And supposedly I had the material to get that. I was a really good student and stuff. फिर then I met Manoj. He comes from a village background. इसको ये स्कूल ही नहीं गया, ठीक है? ये स्कूल ही नहीं गया कभी. इसकी he used to when we in college, इसकी जैसे इधर बैठते ना, ऐसे लोग बैठते थे इसके चारों तरफ, वही कहानियाँ सुनाता था.
वही स्कूल हो गया.
कहानी स्कूलों की नहीं, कहानी बस XYZ, पीछे सांड दौड़ पड़ा, ऊपर लटक गए, मधुमक्खी ने काट लिया, and I used to think, when I used to hear them, I used to think ये कहानी सुना रहा है. Then I got to, and why we got together was that we were the only two non-vegetarians in the group. तो जब सब लोग हम कहीं बाहर जाते थे खाना खाने, सब अलग बैठते थे, हम दो अलग बैठते थे. तो I got to talk to him on a personal front. Then I realized कि जो कहानी सुना रही, कहानियाँ नहीं है, this is his life that he is narrating. और मेरे लिए तो पूरा paradigm shift था. I never knew that life could be this. So I was very interested in him. As a person, and I was very intrigued, and because I had done my my college in a hostel, तो मैं थोड़ा सा मेरा दिमाग खुल गया था. अगर शायद मैं घर से मिलती, मैं से बात ही नहीं करती लाइफ में कभी. But staying in a hostel for 3 years had opened my brain to the extent that I could listen to others and appreciate the fact that they come with their own set of experiences, which they would like to share, and they are real experiences. तो उतना मेरा दिमाग खुल चुका था. तो फिर इन्होंने बताना शुरू किया कि ऐसे ऐसे. Then I developed a huge respect, and I was saying to him, but I developed a huge respect for him because we had everything provided for. Okay, he comes from a family where he did everything himself. He paid his school fee himself by cutting gannas and making those things and selling them to get his school fee. Because he's the only person who has been schooled in his family and by himself.
I see.
So he used to go to school, get him admitted himself. किसी क्लास में 1 महीने तक पता नहीं लगा स्कूल में कि ये बच्चा विदाउट एडमिशन के बैठ रहा है. Stuff like that. So it was very very intriguing for me, and again I developed a huge this thing कि यार ये भी एक life है, and I felt that this is what is real life, which probably many people go through, which we don't know. हम तो बस एक इसमें हम बैठ के चले गए अंग्रेजी स्कूल में.
तो फिर
Then we went to Pune.
अच्छा.
Okay, Pune में हमें we were in a hostel, Max Muller Bhavan. We went for a German language course, and we were in a hostel. तो उधर आई मेट रूपाली एंड बिकॉज शी इज़ अ पर्सन जो जैसे इधर सब लोग हैं ना, ये ऐसी अभी नहीं हुई है, ये पैदा ही ऐसी हुई है.
अच्छा.
शी इज़ ऑलवेज बीन लाइक दैट. सो इमीडिएट कनेक्टिंग, यू नो, टॉकिंग एंड स्टफ, एंड वी डिडंट नो एनीबडी देयर. सो कोई बात कर रहा है तो दैट इज गुड इनफ. अ पर्सन हु इज शोइंग अस अराउंड in Pune, because she was used to the Max Miller culture and things and stuff. And then we became good friends, Manoj also, and then that friendship continued because she didn't like Mumbai. So she came to Delhi to work, to stay for some time, and then she took up a job. She stayed with us for around couple of years. तो उसके लिए हमें ये लगता था हमेशा, to be very frank, that हमें लगता था यार ये बंदी हीरा है, बट तराशा हुआ नहीं है, इसको तराशने की ज़रूरत है, हमें लगता था. शी इज़ एन इनक्रेडिबल पर्सन, अ वेरी वेरी गुड पर्सन. वो जो अपना सामान बेच के भी आपके लिए कुछ ले आएगी, दैट काइंड ऑफ पर्सन. एंड हमें लगता था यार पीपल विल नॉट अंडरस्टैंड हर बिकॉज मोस्टली 90% ऑफ द पीपल इन आर काइंड ऑफ सोसाइटीज विल कॉल हर वियर्डो. And we didn't feel that. We really appreciated what the person that was inside her. And that for some, even though we were not meeting, then she went back to Mumbai. She got married, and we went to her marriage also. वो भी एक हमारे लिए आई ओपनर था कि ऐसी भी शादी हो सकती है. मराठी है, शी इज़ अ मराठी. तो हम लोग के नॉर्थ में तो बड़ी हाई ब्लोन वैसी शादियाँ होती है. इनकी शादी में खुद ऑटो में बैठ के गई अपनी शादी में. आधे दिन में कुछ खाने को भी नहीं था शादी में, सब वहाँ बस उसमें खड़े हुए हैं लुंगी में एंड दैट जनेऊ. हाँ, तो शादी हो गई, फिर हमें पता भी लगा अच्छा शादी हो गई. So good, but we had that thing where we could accept and we were open to a lot of new things without judging, being judgmental about things. So it continued. And now why we are here, to cut it short, over there when we had children, और जब इनको स्कूलों में डाला और दूसरी हॉबी क्लासेस में डाला, I was very this thing, I was not too much into academics because from my experience I knew academics will happen. ABCD बच्चा सीख जाएगा, 1 2 3 सीख जाएगा, बट मेरे अंदर ये ज़रूर था, I had this thing that let me give them a chance to explore things which would probably make them happy in life, because I felt that while I was a typically padhaku person, though I had an opportunity to learn music because my school gave everything, I had an opportunity to be good at sports, but I never took that क्योंकि मेरा फोकस सिर्फ पढ़ने में रहता था, जबकि मेरे पेरेंट्स का उससे कुछ लेना देना नहीं था. माई सिस्टर इज़ अ गुड डांसर, माई ब्रदर वॉज अ गुड म्यूजिशियन. सो ऐसा नहीं था कि पेरेंट्स कह रहे हैं, बट माई ओन थिंग. लेकिन जब ये लोग हैं तो मुझे प्रॉब्ली दैट वाज आल्सो रॉन्ग कि मैं अपनी वॉइड्स इनके ऊपर थोप रही थी कि यार चल म्यूजिक सिखाते हैं, डांस सिखाते हैं, स्पोर्ट्स सिखाते हैं, पढ़ाई छोड़ो, ये करो, दिस इज व्हाट इज गोइंग टू मेक यू हैप्पी इन लाइफ. तो दिस पुअर गर्ल व्हेन शी वाज 1.5 2, ऐसे एक क्लास से दूसरे क्लास लेके जाती थी. मैंने उसको स्केटिंग भी कराया, जिम्नास्टिक भी कराया, सब कुछ कराया. Though I had the prudence not to push her into anything, but I did give her that opportunity where she could explore कि हाँ भी हो सकता है कि उसको अच्छा लगता करती. उसके साथ साथ मुझे एक चीज़ और फील हुई कि whoever I was paying a hell lot of money for all these classes and everything, and I was spending a hell lot of time myself. I quit my job when she was born to take thing that my children should not feel that void कि क्रैश में डालना है. That was not my thing. तो मैं भी अपना बहुत टाइम स्पेंड करती थी इनको यहाँ से वाले, बट आई फेल्ट कि जो सर्विस प्रोवाइडर्स हैं, बच्चा तो एक क्ले है, उसको जो सिखाओगे जस्ट सीख जाएगा, लेकिन जो सर्विस प्रोवाइडर्स थे दे वर वेरी वेरी शैलो. स्कूल्स हॉबी क्लासेस शैलो लगा मुझे, टू यूज इट्स अ हार्श वर्ड टू यूज, बट आई डिड फाइंड देम वेरी शैलो. बस ऊपर से सिखा दिया, फोटो खींच दिया, हाँ ये सीख लिया वो सीख, बट एक्चुअली व्हाट लर्निंग शुड बी टू गेट इनटू यू नो द सोल ऑफ द थिंग, टू एक्सप्लोर वेदर द चाइल्ड एक्चुअली. मेरे को दिख रहा है मेरा बच्चा अच्छा नहीं कर रहा, मैं कह रही हूँ कि यार इसको तो कुछ आता नहीं है तो सीख, इसको इंटरेस्ट नहीं मैम बहुत अच्छा करे, जस्ट टू प्रॉब्ली होल्ड ऑन टू दैट क्लास. Then slowly that grew. Then they went to formal school. स्कूल में भी वही, अभी भी जाओगे हाँ बहुत अच्छा बहुत अच्छा बहुत अच्छा, बात वो नहीं है कि आई एम नॉट जजिंग देम कि ये अच्छे नहीं हैं, बट आई स्टिल हैव टू सी दैट स्पार्क इन देम एंड इन द सिस्टम which really focuses on working on that inner child. I have nothing against formal schooling. I am totally in for formal schooling. लेकिन मुझे लगता है, मैं इनके स्कूल में भी चिक चिक के बोलती हूँ, मैं जाके पहले मैं बहुत पीछे पड़ी रहती थी इनके, मैं कहती हूँ आप बच्चों को सब कुछ क्यों करा रहे हो? Why are you pushing them into taekwondo, gymnastics, skating? Why? Let the child do what he or she likes doing, and then if they are good enough, if you can train them to be good enough, train them so that they also reach a level where they feel that gratification कि हाँ हमने किया. देखिए हर चीज़ आप सिर्फ ज़िंदगी भर कैजुअली नहीं कर सकते हो. ओके, इफ़ यू लाइक फिल्म मेकिंग, यू कांट जैसे कि हाँ भैया एक वीडियो खींच लिया फिल्म मेकिंग हो गया. यू हैव टू लर्न. इफ़ यू वांट टू डू इट, यू हैव टू लर्न इट टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल सो दैट यू कैन हेल्प अदर्स लर्न ऑल्सो. दैट इज़ माई फोकस अबाउट लर्निंग एनीथिंग. आई हैव एब्सोल्युटली नो थिंग इनको मैथ्स करना है, साइंस करना है, म्यूजिक करना है, कुछ भी करो, लेकिन जो कर रहे हो उसको करो दिल और शिद्दत के साथ, जिससे आपको उसमें अच्छा लगे. शी लर्न्स कथक, ओके, एंड फॉर्चुनेटली शी हैज़ अ वेरी गुड टीचर, excellent teacher. One of the in this entire jungle I found one teacher who was really passionate about teaching.
She likes it?
She likes it, लेकिन again though probably too young, too early for me to see, she dances well also, perform भी group में करती है. Let's see. So she's still learning. She learns guitar also. My younger one, she learns keyboard. I have not pushed them into anything. मैंने इसको कहा था, टीचर आता था कीबोर्ड ने, इसको कहा तू भी कीबोर्ड सीख ले. शी सेड नो आई डोंट वांट टू लर्न कीबोर्ड, आई वांट टू लर्न गिटार. तो मैं कहा चल भी गिटार सीख ले. तो मैं गिटार के लिए भी कर रही हूँ. चलो शी लर्नड इट. तो आई एम स्टिल दे वेरी यंग, सो आई एम वेटिंग फॉर दैट मोमेंट टू कम वेयर दे स्टार्ट एंजॉइंग इट. इट्स नॉट अबाउट मी एट ऑल, इट्स अबाउट देम. एक होता है ना कि आप वो कोई काम करते हो जिसमें वाकई आपको मज़ा आता है एंड यू फील गुड. So why I'm here is just to learn about what actually unschooling or homeschooling is. Homeschooling is not my kind of thing. I don't think I'll be able to do it. लेकिन I just met a child just now, Sumed. Amazing fellow यार. I'm so full of I'm overwhelmed actually.
बताइए. What did you see?
He was conducting a theatre workshop, theatre games.
How old is he?
He is, देखने में तो इसके बराबर लगता है, 9-year-old, but he is I guess a 12 or a 13-year-old child. तो वो कर रहा था. मैंने कहा फिर भी just got to chatting भी क्यों कर रहे हो कैसे. So he quit school when he was in grade 7th, and for last 2 years he's been homeschooling himself. खुद ही कर रहा है वो. क्यों, मैंने कहा क्यों छोड़ा हुआ है, तो because of bullying, because he is short, स्टैमर करता है थोड़ा सा. तो he said that I was bullied for lot of years. I didn't tell my parents, but I didn't like school, so he quit. And खुद अपने आप करता है सब कुछ. बोले 1 महीना मुझे नहीं पता लगा कि मुझे क्या करना है, but then I started exploring, and he does cooking, and he likes to do a couple of things which he is doing. But the way he was conducting the workshop, it was amazing. I can guarantee कोई school normally, I will not say everything, but an average school going child, अगर हम इनको खड़ा कर दें 10 लोगों को जो normal school में जाते हैं, वो नहीं कर सकते. The kind of confidence he has in conducting it, in coaching, in instructing, and in actually discussing the outcome of a workshop. You must interview him. He is amazing. मेरा तो मतलब इस वक्त ना I have goosebumps. यार ऐसा बच्चा और अपने आप कर रहा है सब कुछ. इधर इसके पेरेंट्स अंदर रहते हैं, वो अकेला टेंट में सोता है यहाँ पे. एंड ही डज एवरीथिंग. उसने सुबह मैंने मिला तो सुबह वो अपना वो लेके खड़ा हुआ था. मैं कहा बच्चे कौन करेगा ये वर्कशॉप, तो ही सेड आई विल डू इट. तो मेरे दिमाग में था कि मे बी हिज पेरेंट्स विल कम एंड हेल्प हिम आउट, या क्या मेरे दिमाग में था. आई वॉज क्यूरियस. आई वेंट देयर बिकॉज़ आई वॉज क्यूरियस कि ये बच्चा क्या करेगा. बट अभी तक का इन माई लास्ट 2 days of being here at SUC में, this has been the best experience I have had. All the kids, ये भी थी. My husband was also there. तो लगा इंटरव्यू हो रहा है तो भाग कर आगे बीच में. So this is what it is. So I am still I don't know what I'll do, but I'm actually not very happy with the kind of schooling that is happening. हमारे टाइम्स में क्या था कि हमारा भी बड़ा फॉर्मल स्ट्रक्चर था स्कूलिंग का, कोई किसी के बारे में ध्यान नहीं दे रहा था. प्रॉब्लली दैट इज़ वाई पीपल शोन इन द लिटिल पॉकेट्स इन वॉट एवर दे वर गुड एट. प्लस द थिंग इज इवन इन आवर टाइम्स देयर वाज ह्यूज कॉम्पिटिशन. In my batch I have IITians, I have people who medicals, हर जगह पहुँचे हुए हैं, very prestigious alumni we have. But while we were growing up and even today, there is no element of jealousy. We knew, अच्छा यार ये फर्स्ट आएगा, हाँ तू ही फर्स्ट आएगा, ठीक है पता है तू ही फर्स्ट आएगा. मजाक उड़ाते हैं, मिलते हैं, हाँ ये देखो ये 9 साल फर्स्ट आया, इसको तो फर्स्ट ही आना था. So there was absolutely no element of jealousy. ये म्यूजिक में अच्छा है, हाँ यार ये म्यूजिशियन है, we used to feel proud, ये म्यूजिशियन है, ये स्पोर्ट्समैन है. I don't know why that is not happening now.
अच्छा, कुछ अलग है.
आजकल तो ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं हो रहा. आजकल children are so
Commercialized.
competitive. They don't want to accept the goodness in others. They're not able to come to the fact that he is good while I am not. It is nothing about self-depreciation. It's not that at all. I totally, अगर मैं किसी के अपने क्लासमेट्स किसी के बारे में डिस्कस करती हूँ, I feel totally proud and I feel good about the fact कि हाँ ये चीज़ में अच्छा है, ये अच्छा है, मैं इतनी अच्छी नहीं हो सकती, and that's fine. That's totally fine with me. But that is not the case today. I will not say that for all the children, but most. Even normal games में बच्चे छीना झपटी and they are so ready to fight out. Even little birthday games में, which I don't like at all. I don't want my children to grow up to be like that. I don't.
So, all in all, you'd say you're still confused.
I'm confused about whether I can take that path. That is the confusion.
But the fact that the path might be greener is there, और वो भी पता नहीं. Confused है.
I am confused. I am confused because one, abhi as on date, we just started. He would have told you Manoj quit his job. I quit my job couple of years back. Now we have started a new venture, so we are totally into that. So as of now, it doesn't seem feasible कि हम, because homeschooling means that you have to be there, right? You can't not be there and expect the child to do everything on it. और वो वाला भी चीज़ अभी उतना वो नहीं लगता मुझे. जैसे कल मनीष जी की वाइफ बोल रही थी कि 15 इयर्स तक बच्चों को पढ़ना लिखना भी नहीं सिखाया, बच्चा अपने आप ही सीख गया. वो सब्जी मंडी में बैठा था, कोई आता अपने आप ही कर लिया. वन, द प्लेस वेयर वी स्टे, इट्स नॉट फॉर वेरी सैड रीज़न, बट इट्स नॉट सेफ. यू कांट लेट चिल्ड्रन आउट ऑफ साइट, इट्स नॉट. तो पूरा गुड़गांव NCR ऐसे ही है. अगर आज ये पार्क में भी खेलते हैं तो मुझे आई हैव टू कीप अ वॉच, नॉट बिकॉज दैट आई डोंट वांट टू लेट गो ऑफ देम, बट बिकॉज आई हैव नो कंट्रोल ओवर दी. हर दूसरे दिन देर आर केसेस, ये बच्चा गायब हो गया, वो हो गया, चाइल्ड ट्रैफिक. सो वन रीज़न इज दैट आई कांट टेल देम कि हाँ भाई चल जा शॉप से ले आ सामान. आई कांट, आई डोंट इवन. कैमरा
Yes, चल रहा है.
हमें ऐसा लगता है कि चल रहा है, so that हम ना अच्छी तरह बोलते हैं. इंटरव्यू
आ जाइए.
तो मैं इनको ये भी नहीं कर सकती कि हाँ भी तू चले जाओ दुकान में. What that makes what again, जब कॉलोनी में मेला लगेगा कुछ होगा, okay, I'll give them a certain sum and say okay you do your shopping, but I can't do ask them to market जाओ लिया, because मेरे को खड़ा होना पड़ेगा वहाँ पे. So these are the constraints. Either we shift location. I want to do all of that. These are one of the things. अभी as of now अपना ये work commitment हो गया है, so I can't really withdraw myself immediately from that. Finances की आदत पड़ गई है, so अभी नहीं समझ में आता कि without finances कैसे काम चलेगा. Used to that lifestyle. Let's see how the journey goes on from here.
NSUC 2021.
We'll be there, no doubt. We'll definitely be there.
ठीक है.
But
Thank you so much.